Body language is a language which all of us speak. And it means speaking a language of a million words without opening my mouth. Do you? మనం కూర్చున్నప్పుడు ఫిజిట్ చేస్తామా? టేర్ని ఊపుతున్నావా? Do I keep on touching my face? Do I keep on clasping my hands? Am I biting my nails? Am I breaking my knuckles? Am I stammering? Am I playing with my clothes? Am I breathing hard? These are signs of nervousness. And these can be interpreted by any interviewer at any point of time. For example, suppose interviewer is asking you about your last project. And while you're talking about నా ప్రాజెక్ట్ గురించి చెప్తున్నప్పుడు ఇట్లా చెప్పి ఎస్ సార్ ఇట్లా అయిందంటే immediately interviewer knows that you are lying. Immediately interviewer knows that you are not telling him the complete truth about that project. Because your body language immediately indicates that you're covering up your mouth, you're trying to hide your face from them while you're talking about that topic. It displays nervousness, it displays stress, and it also tells the interviewer, I need to investigate this matter. How do you sit? How do you approach? How do you walk into the interview room? How do you interact? All these are small things, but they play a major role. Are you going to sit in the like the people in the top floor, in the top chair, top picture? The right, extreme right, lower bottom one is the correct posture that you will adapt. Legs firmly to the floor, body upright, chest out, arms in the right position, and preferably on your legs so that you avoid fidgeting around with everything else. You see the attire, the things that you need to wear for an interview. Formal clothing, not something that's jazzy, no shiny clothes. Remember, how you talk makes the difference. Some more correct wear, ethnic, professional. Avoid party wear. Parties wear are for parties. And what kind of situations, how do we need to sit? Remember, when we put our hands down on our legs, looking forward, openness. If we fold our hands and sit like this, or if we sit, it tells us 1,000 things about you which you will not want to know. This is the appropriate way to sit for an interview or during an interview also. What do you do with your hands? Keep your hands visible in sight of everybody. Don't keep it under the table. And use your hands to communicate, like gestures, thinking, etc. Avoid fidgeting with your hands. Avoid touching your face, your hair, etc.